हाँ ये
इससे
so there is a triangle. This is question number 9. There is triangle given to you like this. Huh? Triangle is like this. Hello.
इस
Is this like this? This is the triangle ABC. Huh? A na?
इससे
A, B, C. Huh? Then there are points on AB. That is B and that is E. Hmm? So it is B लिखा हुआ है.
सर ई यहाँ डी है वहाँ ई
So E and this is D. And it is saying they are joined together. So BD is equal to CE. Right? So what you have to prove?
पहले प्रूव करना है सर ट्रायंगल एबीसी इज कॉमन टू ट्रायंगल डीसीबी
ABC नहीं होगा यार.
एबीसी नहीं बोल रहा हूँ सर
हाँ.
ट्रायंगल ईबीसी
EBC.
इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट
Prove triangle EBC is congruent
टू
to triangle
डीसीबी
DCB.
बी
Triangle DCB. And what is given you? This BD is equal to.
ट्रायंगल एबीसी इज इक्वल टू ट्रायंगल जो गिवन है
एक मिनट. अरे मुझे बताओ. BD is equal to EC. Is it given?
नो सर
Huh?
D and E are points on the sides AC and AB
Huh.
respectively such that BE is equal to CD improved
BE
is equal to CD. BE is equal to CD.
BE is equal to CD.
Yes sir.
अच्छा, BE is equal to CD. Oh, sorry. Means BE given BE is equal to CD. Means this is equal to this is. And what is given else? Angle
ABC.
Angle ABC.
This angle ABC is equals to angle ACB.
ABC is equal to angle
ACB.
ACB. Means this angle and this angle. Right? So now what you do? You take this angle first. You take this angle. EBC, na? You take EBC. When we talk about EBC, it is like this. Right? So this is the triangle we have. Right? This triangle is equal to this and this is right. This is. This is so it is given you these are equal and these angles are equal, right? So what we do, in triangle EBC, EBC and triangle DCB, right? So BE is equal to CD given, and angle अबे जब यहाँ पे दिया गया है एंगल ABC is equal to angle ACB, right?
Yes.
And E is point on AB and D is point on AC, right? This is given. तो क्या हो जाएगा, एंगल EBC is equal to angle DCB, ABC, EBC, ADB, because यहाँ पे क्या है, because angle ABC is equal to angle EBC. These are same angles, and angle EBC, oh sorry, and angle ACB is equal to angle DCB. They are same angles, huh?
Yes, sir.
So therefore they are equal. So अब यहाँ पे लिख लेंगे एंगल EBC is equal to angle DCB, right? Proved above. And lastly BC is equal to BC common, right? So by SAS criteria of congruency triangle EBC is congruent to triangle DCB, right? Now what?
Second, I proved that angle OEB is congruent to triangle. Oh, sorry, triangle OEB is congruent to triangle ODC.
Yeah.
Triangle.
This is point O, right? You said that they are equal, they are congruent. So angle BEC is equal to angle BDC by CPCTC. These two angles are congruent, right? Show me the question. हाँ. ये और एंड एंगल पहले इसको लिया ना ECB is equal to angle DBC by CPCTC, right? So this angle is equal to this angle, and it is given you angle EBC is equal to angle DCB is given, right? EBC is what? EBC is EBO angle EBO EBO plus CBO. इसको लिख लो OBO OBE. इसको यहां से काट दिया ना, तो OB O अब हो जाएगा, नहीं तभी हो जाएगा OBT O और black one, then OCB, then OCB, then OCB is equal to angle OBC क्योंकि OCB EBC ना, तो एक मिनट, OCB OCB और OCD प्लस एंगल OCD, right, is equal to DCB is OBE, angle OBE, OBE plus OBC plus angle OBC, right? We take the middle one, right? We take the middle one, so this C and B are equal. B and C are equal given. When they are equal, so they will cancel out. Then what do you get? OCD, angle OCD is equal to angle OBE, right? अभी इतना बराबर, okay. So angle OCD is equal to angle OBE, right? We have proved that this angle is also equal to this. ये हमने CPCT से, this is we proved here, right? And this is by CPCTC, and these are given. Now, should I rub?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to rub this much. This much is not required. Sorry about this. This conversion is required, but this is not required. Oh. Now we talk about in triangle OBE लिखा है.
In triangle OEB.
अबे OEB and triangle
ODC.
ODC. So angle E is equal to angle D by CPCT by CPCTC in previous, and angle and BE is equal to CD given and proved. Angle OBE is equal to angle OCD proved above, right? So by ASA criteria of congruency triangle OEB is congruent to triangle ODC, right?
Surrender में है OB is equals to OC.
ठीक है, तो OB is equal to OC by CPCTC. OB is equal to OC by CP CTC और
बस
है.
बस OB is equals to OC.
I was seeing 4.
Third है OB is equals to OC.
B3. OB is equal to OC is very simple it is fine.
CPC.
क्योंकि मतलब पे क्या है कि अगर इस ट्रायंगल अब आपने इसको लिया ना
Yes, sir.
OEB and you have taken OEB and ODC. So इसमें this angle you prove that they are equal.
Yes, sir.
These red color angles are equal. You proved here. OCD is equal to OBE, right? Angle OCD is equal to OBE. You proved red color. एंड ये लास्ट प्रीवियस से आपने लिया था सीपीसीटी से जब इन दोनों ट्रायंगल को प्रूव किया था ट्रायंगल बीईसी एंड ट्रायंगल डीसीबी में तो दिस एंगल ई इज इक्वल टू एंगल डी सो एंगल ई इज इक्वल टू एंगल डी वी हैव बाय सीपीसीटी राइट so or BE is equal to CD given you so that's why these two angles are congruent when they are congruent then by CPCT these two sides are OB is equal to OC by CPCT as simple as that right
This is equal to. Yes.
barabar
Yes, sir.
understand huh so this was question number 9
Yes, sir.
oh my god takes 20 minutes to solve